watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome back to Housethetic. Today, we're going to explore easy-to-replicate winter home decor ideas that are basic yet chic, perfect for adding a dash of cool elegance to any living area. These do-it-yourself ice-inspired projects are inexpensive and ideal for establishing a calm and peaceful winter atmosphere, so there's no need to break the bank. Now let's get going. Make stunning lanterns using frozen water balloons to cast a captivating glow. Snowy centerpiece. For a simple yet elegant centerpiece, arrange pine cones, white candles, and fake snow. Frozen vases. To create elegant frozen vases, freeze water in cylindrical vessels filled with vegetation. Frosted window panes. To create a soft and frosty winter appearance, put a light coat of white paint onto your window panes. Twig wreath. Using twigs, pine cones, and a little white paint, craft a rustic winter wreath. Cozy blanket basket. For a warm and approachable winter accent, arrange blankets in a rustic basket. Cinnamon stick candles. To create a cozy and fragrant home accent, wrap ordinary candles with cinnamon sticks. Winter terrariums. Using tiny figurines and fake snow, create miniature winter settings in glass containers. Snowy pillow covers. For a quick winter upgrade, simply place white pillow covers over your current pillows. Branch wall art. For a straightforward yet tasteful wall piece, paint tree branches white and arrange them on a canvas. Vases with sweater wraps. To create a cozy and attractive appearance, wrap old sweaters around vases. Candle cluster. Create a cozy arrangement by grouping different-sized candles on a platter and around them with fake snow. Felt snowflake garland. For a simple and traditional holiday garland, string together felt snowflakes. scented potpourri. To create a warm, inviting scent, gently simmer orange peels, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. Mason jar luminaries. For a cozy glow, paint white mason jars, insert tea lights, and arrange them about your house. Display inspired by a ski lodge. For a quaint and sentimental winter display, use vintage skis, snowshoes, and wooden sleds. Pine cone fire starter bundles. For a quaint fireplace, tie pine cones in bundles with twine for ornamental fire starters. Winter white table setting. Use exquisite tablecloths with a winter theme and white plates and cutlery to create a stunning table. Faux fur throw. For added warmth and style, lay faux fur throws over chairs or sofas to add a hint of luxury. Ice sculpture candle holders. Freeze water in different containers, then insert candles to create artistic candle holders. Which of these ideas are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy and budget-friendly DIY projects. Stay warm and cozy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other DIY and home decor content. Until next time, take care and happy decorating!